Sichuan Green Science and Technology Company Limited was founded in 2016. Locates in Chengdu National High-Tech Development Zone. Our products cover EV charger, EV charging cable, EV charging plug, portable power station, and software platform, equipped with OCPP 1.6 protocol, providing smart charging service for both hardware and software. Our main products are AC charging piles. In terms of product types, we currently have 3 series of charging piles, including EV charger with plug, EV charger with socket, and portable EV charger. All series of charging piles support RFID, app, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, OCPP, and other functions, and are suitable for all electric vehicles on the market. The charging pile holds product certificates that meet European standards, American standards, and other export standards. We have a perfect team, from research and development to after-sales, which can be divided into research and development, sales, finance, administration, procurement, production, and other major departments, with a total of 24 employees. The associated factory covers an area of 2,200 square meters, with 12 production lines and an average output of 2,100 charging piles per month. We dedicate in providing package technique and products solution for intelligent, efficient, and safe application of energy resources, and for energy saving and emission reduction. We also can customize products by customers' sample or design paper, with competitive price in a short time.